The Michigan minimum wage law is in question tonight again after a referendum to a bill that was passed into law preventing a minimum wage increase. Restaurant owners and workers celebrating that law when it passed back in February, but the tip credit could be back in jeopardy. Tonight, News Channel 3's Carter Landis is live in Kalamazoo. And Carter, you talked to people on both sides of this issue.
Yeah, that's right, Andy. And the restaurant workers say that raising the minimum wage would cost them possibly their jobs and their money. They say that they make more from tips than they do a fixed wage. But the pro-worker group One Fair Wage says that tips won't go away just because wages go up. Back in February, the Michigan legislature passed a bill into law that prevented the minimum wage from increasing, saving the tip credit. But things are uncertain once again. The Michigan Board of Canvassers has introduced a referendum to overturn that law.
We're going in with this strategy that is letting the legislature know that people are struggling with the cost of living being so high, and people deserve to have a livable wage, to have a life with dignity.
The law was signed after restaurant workers campaigned at the Capitol to protect tips. It came after a Michigan Supreme Court decision ruled the previous legislature adopting and amending One Fair Wage's ballot proposal to increase the minimum wage in 2018 was unconstitutional. Economic experts warn against the referendum, saying it would cause restaurants to cut jobs for servers and even jobs beyond that.
Cooks, prep staff, any back of the house. So this affects more than just tipped workers, but tipped workers feel the brunt of it for sure.
Field director for One Fair Wage, Sarah Rose, says that they don't expect people to stop tipping, even if customers know restaurant workers are making a higher wage.
There hasn't been really a sign that people are tipping less or that their wages have gone down. Actually, it's at the opposite. Their wages have gone up and have been more stable.
One Fair Wage is planning to begin educating the public on the referendum at the end of the month. Now, there's still a long way to go for this to be reversed. One Fair Wage needs 330,000 signatures, and if they get those, it'll go on the 2026 ballot where people can vote on it then. And of course, leading up to that point, we'll keep a close eye on this. Live in Kalamazoo, Carter Landis, News Channel 3.